What if I told you that these earphones can measure your heart rate by simply placing them in your ears like this? And in a matter of seconds, it can go ahead and start measuring your heart rate as you're exercising, essentially creating a new way of measuring your performance as you do cardio. That is right, these here are the all-new Liberty 4 by Soundcore, a company made by Anker that we've seen before that makes a variety of different devices, from security cameras to chargers, you name it, they're out there. Now, if you guys want to learn more about the Liberty 4, check out the link down in the description, and today we'll be unboxing it as well as trying it out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this here's our packaging, this here's our box, kind of showcases it right here. Liberty 4, so it does feature a, of course, heart rate sensor. It has ANC, so noise cancellation, up to 28 total hours of playtime. And then of course when it's outside, it's about 9 hours, which is still pretty darn good. Now this features ACAA 3.0 for premium sound and spatial audio for immersive sound, as well as HearID Sound 2.0. Now, this is actually a cool design concept, so you can go ahead and listen, essentially connect to it to two different Bluetooth devices, so you can easily or essentially effortlessly switch between the two without any problems. Otherwise, you're disconnecting one, connecting the other, and it's essentially a headache. Now, it does come with its own wireless charging case, so you can go ahead and charge that on a wireless station, which is really neat. And yeah, let's take a look. Alright, check it out. So a very cool presentation. I like this a lot. So you do see the headphones here and got essentially like this wave forming out of the case here in the middle. You have different ear tips from small, large, M2, and I believe the M1s are in there. The M2s are a little bit deeper for a little bit more better sound. Now we do have a little compartment here on the side housing some more accessories. So we do have our USB-C cable, and then of course a quick start guide. Now it is app integrated, so you can essentially connect to it and see everything on the wellness app. And check this out. So this here is our case. So not your ordinary case where you just kind of flip it open. You actually slide this one and it'll actually kind of slide like that. So slide, and yeah, pretty neat. So just go ahead and pop in our earphones like this, and there is an LED on the back as well as on the bottom, and you do have a button here to go ahead and connect to it via Bluetooth. Now, it does have the charger port on the back for the USB-C, but again, it is wireless capability, so you can go ahead and put on a wireless charger and charge it like that. Let's go ahead and open up the app next and see what this is all about. And there we are. So I just went ahead and quickly connected to it via Bluetooth. Quite simple setup here. All right, so we're officially connected to our device, and this here is our main hub. So you do see noise cancellation, normal or transparent mode based on your own liking. So like if you're at a library or if you're out in a lot of ruckus, you might want to use that noise cancellation technique. Now you do have different sound effects. You click on that here. You have spatial audio, which puts yourself at the heart of the music or movie as sound surrounds you from all different directions with head tracking. This includes both music as well as video mode. Your HearID sound, so this can be a little bit more personalized towards you. So you can create essentially a HearID sound profile by testing it based off of that. So that's nice. It does come with its own custom fitting for you. And then of course you do have your custom EQ, which you can essentially adjust based on your own personal likings, which is always awesome. Now, besides that, under control, you do have touch sensors. So there is a little button here where you can click once, double click, or triple click, where you can skip a song, you can pause a song, you can answer a phone call, and a variety of other different cool parts too. Now you can manually adjust both sides, so you have left and right, so that's really neat. And of course we get our Soundcore Wellness. So let's go ahead and pop these things in really quick. Alright, so I heard a little beep, and alright, we are good. So right now they are on, and it does give us a little battery life here. Click on Soundcore Wellness, and it's going to ask us for our weight. Alright, so now as we're calibrating, it says please stay still. So it's just measuring our heart rate at this exact moment. And actually even measures your stress. Calibrated, so we're at 72 heart beats per minute. Sweet. And it's actually giving us an accurate readout. This is insane. And then you have your stress level, where you can see that too. And then you have an exercise button, so you essentially tell us that we're going to go ahead and do it for a brisk walk. And you can just follow that. And wow, it's actually an actual sports headphones. Pretty neat. I mean, I like that. That's actually really cool. Let's go ahead and try out this audio function here. Alright, so it's got some good audio. Those are so good! I'm actually in awe on how great these earphones sound. I really love the fact that it's got great bass, and then the spatial audio effect is actually very unique. So it almost sounds like you're coming from all around you, and then there's a different mode where if you kind of rotate your head, you can actually, it feels like the sound's moving with you. So it's actually pretty darn cool. And the fact that it can measure your heart rate while working out is worth every penny. Now with that said, if you guys have any questions about this, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.